All right. So I got the air handler loaded. The 3-ton system by ACIQ. Got that loaded up. Got the line set, the ductwork, the return box with some transitions, I think they're called. Don't beat me up, I'm a plumber. The only thing left that we got to load is the condenser. So once Daniel gets in and I don't kill my back, we could work together to get that loaded and we should be good to go. Good afternoon. It's James from Pipe Doctor Home Services. Just got finished doing an AC install with Daniel and our new apprentice Giandi today. Recorded some clips throughout the day. I was actually just putting my camera away because I got to download the videos for it later. But yeah, so I recorded a bunch of clips throughout the day of me helping out. As you guys know, I'm a plumbing and heating service technician. I'm not really an HVAC tech, but I have helped out and done a lot of installs in the past for my previous employers. So I have a good gist of what's going on. So I recorded everything. Forgot to record this morning, heading to the job, doing this intro for you guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If there's any tips or anything that I missed that I could do better the next time around. Trying to get better at HVAC so I could be of more use for this upcoming cooling season. Next Wednesday, it's gonna be 75 degrees. Today, it's already like 68 degrees. So it's fantastic. Love it. Getting to the butt end of the heating season. About to get into cooling. Yeah, really looking forward to it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I really appreciate everyone that's been subscribing lately to my channel. It does mean a lot. There's a police officer waiting right here at the stop sign. Is he waiting for somebody? Not for me. Anyway, I do appreciate all the support you guys give me on my videos and all the feedback that you guys leave. I hope you enjoy watching. Have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you real soon. Thank you. So we got Daniel inside with Giandi taking out the old air handler and hydronic coil. Well, it's already out. They're just prepping the ductwork. I am currently recording. That's correct. Gonna go check to make sure that the power's off at the outdoor unit. Got my little heating bag with me, and get power disconnected, pull the old disconnect box off the wall, just get everything prepped and ready for Daniel, so that this way getting the condenser out will be nice and easy. Let's see. Hey, you downstairs?
No, I'm actually at the truck right now.
All right, when you get a chance, go inside to the breaker panel and call me back so we can shut the power outside.
All right, got you. I'll do that as soon as I get inside.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
All right, so in the meantime, we can disconnect because we don't have any power here because we have the disconnect pulled. It's always good to just double check so we can get this pulled off. Yeah, it's still live.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have him call me once he's at the panel.
A lot of trust in me there.
Yep. Okay. Still on? Oh yeah, you are.
How are you now?
Alright, hold on. That's good.
Good?
Yep.
Sure.
Fantastic. Alright. So now I can safely take this disconnect box off. Come on. Oh, you fudger. Give me a bigger one. Alright. Once I get this box off the wall, clean this up a little bit, get the new one mounted, I can get this condenser out of the way. Yeah, there we go. And I will touch base with you guys very shortly. Plumber, screw. Let's find out. Oh, there's something there. That's not good. Come on, work with me. Ah, screw you. Literally, screw you. Can of plumber. Screw. That's very interesting. I'm gonna have to get shorter screws. They're wearing out my tip. Let's get you out of my way so you're not dragging. It's a train. Is their motto nothing stops a train still? Is that still a thing with them? I remember the first service company I worked for, we had a giant poster on the wall. And I used to think that was a brilliant slogan, that nothing stops a train. For those of you that don't know, I did a steam boiler with Mike maybe almost a month ago now. And he ordered me this hand truck from Uline. That came the very next day. And honestly, I love it. It has made my life so much easier when it comes to moving equipment. I mean, look at this. One-handed, strolling, beautiful day out. All right. What we're actually going to do is, let's see, any room over here? No, okay. Because I don't want to put this in my truck yet, and I don't want to leave it out front for the whole neighborhood to see. So as of right now, you're being parked right here. I know, and I'm recording too. So now, we can clean up that area because the new condenser is being mounted on the side of the home. It's not going to be sitting on the floor like these ones are. Just got to pick up the brackets for it. I have the disconnect box mounted. I needed to use shorter screws because I'm hitting some sort of sill plate or something. So tidy this up a little bit, get it nice and clean. This is set with the liquid tight fitting for our whip. This is where our line set was previously. So we'll get that opened up a bit more. Let's go, HVAC. So I just got back from picking up this 18 by 38 by 3 condenser pad. Got it in place, got the unit on it. It is slightly pitched a little bit, so I got to raise up that side, but I figured what I'll do first is get it attached to the pad so that this way I can just lift the whole thing with my crowbar. That's all right. Okay. the other side over here. Beautiful. Yeah, so what I'll do is I will get that side lifted, then I will run power from the new disconnect box over to here with the liquid tight, pop this cover off, be rocking and rolling. That's that.
Saw your video.
Did you? It's a gorgeous day outside. We got the unit hooked up, power going to it, line sets connected. Daniel's setting up the vacuum right now. I am just putting some little stuff away. I'll fully clean up my truck later this afternoon. And yeah, so far so good. Poo. It's alright. Gonna grab a sip of water, and I want to get some silicone for the line set where it exits the home. This can go back here. I got the disconnect wired in, the communication wired, all set, and we will be good to go very soon. Once we get this vacuum pulled down, we'll be able to maybe even put this unit on for air conditioning, because it's like 60 something degrees out. It's gorgeous outside. So we'll see in a little bit. Daniel's got the vacuum set up. Wired in the line voltage and the communication wire, and this is where I'm gonna silicone. I promise you I am not that good at is working with tin. I'm not a tin knocker. I like pipes. I know this isn't the right way to use this tool, but making up these pieces here for the transition of the return. Might even be able to bang that down. Alright, so I just need for this side, the opposite side, and we're good to go with this. Still pulling a vacuum outside, and we still got to just pipe in the hydro coil on the boiler. The hydro coil that's on the bottom of the air handler. Plumbing. Gonna hook up the hydro coil, get that piped in. Just finished playing around with that return duct on the base box. That's all set and taped and airtight. Bring this stuff in, start piping out the hydro coil, and then we'll get it filled, purged, and ready to go. Let me see if I can make it slightly brighter. Right there. Yeah. Nice. Okay, you stay there. Elbow. Come on. Always mark your insertions so that this way, when stuff moves around as you start pressing it. Okay, so that's one side done. We'll press that. The other one is going from down there to up there, but I need to leave room for the filter to pull out, so I got to shoot across to give enough space, so in the future when Daniel or Mike come back to service this unit, they have the room that they need. All right, let's start pressing. Where are you? Here you are. Piping for the hydronic coil. Giandy, say hi to my YouTube channel.
What's up?
Say what's up. So anywho, we got that done, purged the air from it, it's pressurized. We just ran a new vinyl tubing for the condensate drain. One of these was Daniel. PD, and JM. Interesting. All right. Put this away. Put my press fittings away. Yeah, that's all set. Purged. I'll get the bucket out afterwards. Everything's pressed. Nothing's leaking. Fantastic. Getting everything tidied up and cleaned up. Got the new unit in place. Disregard that silicone because it's going to dry translucent, clear, so it won't look as messy. Disconnect. Got the liquid tight also for the communication wire so that doesn't get burnt out. This is nice and level, solid, sturdy. Came out pretty good. Indoor unit came out awesome. So we got that all squared away. Good. Let me know what you guys think. As a plumber, how I did. Haven't installed an outdoor condenser in a while. I used to be an assistant for my first service company that I worked for. When plumbing was slow in the summertime, I used to help. I was the outdoor condenser guy because I didn't like going in the attic. So I tried to get good at doing that, and it's been a little while, but when you know something, I know you're recording me. Yeah, I know. When you're good at something or when you've learned how to do something and it's been a while, you just need to get your feet wet to do it again. Get this puppy down to the truck so we can get the garbage loaded up. So yeah, you know, I'm no HVAC technician, but I can definitely be a good helping hand and assistant on these types of installs. I would like to eventually start learning how to do service so I can be useful in all three aspects of plumbing, heating, and air conditioning. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in a little bit.